A worried family is holding out hope of finding a man who went missing in Lake Michigan. He was kayaking last weekend and hasn't been seen since.
It's been several hours of searching for Toronto's Marine Unit as they continue to look for a man in his 20s after he fell off a jet ski near Bluffers Beach Park on Sunday night.
In aquatic resorts, fun can turn into danger in seconds. A jet ski drifts too far. A kayak is carried by strong currents. And suddenly, someone is missing. Lifeguards rely on sight alone, limited by distance, weather, and time. When visibility is lost, every second matters. What if safety didn't depend on eyesight? What if location was always known? Even without internet, even without cellular signal. Introducing Lora Integrated Navigation Kit for Aquatic Resort Safety. A smart safety vest equipped with GPS and long-range LoRa communication. Tracking guests in real time, offline. Reliable. Immediate. Guest movement is monitored in real time. Without internet, without cellular networks. Resort staff gain a live operational view of all active water zones, allowing faster decisions, clearer coordination, and safer outcomes. Because in aquatic environments, safety begins with knowing where everyone is. This is LoRa. This is Link.